To form the past tense in Irish, we take the verb or the doing word, and those that begin with a consonant are those consonants that are B, C, D, G, M, S, T. They will all take what's called a H or an aspiration after the first letter. So for example, we will see here with the first one, Shas becomes Has. Tog becomes Hogue. Dridge becomes Gridge. Glan becomes Glan. Mook becomes Wook. And a new one for us, Muscle, to waken up, becomes Wuskle. And we then add the personal pronouns of our choice, which is me, tu, she, she, mudge, shiv, or shade. Okay, so what do if the verb begins with a vowel? So in Irish we have A, E, I, O, and U. We also have A fada, E fada, I fada, O fada, and U fada. So what do? Well, we prefix D apostrophe in front of the vowel. Remember, changes in Irish are at the start. In English, they're more often at the end. So, for example, then we have Ich becomes Jich plus me or two. I et. Esht becomes Jesht, me or two. Oskel becomes Doskel, me or two. Okay, you're probably wondering that we also have a number of other letters that I haven't mentioned, and one of them is a really special one, which is the letter F. Now F is a wee bit confused because it doesn't know if it's a consonant or if it's a vowel. So the best way to remember about F is you treat it as though it is a consonant and a vowel, which means that you prefix D apostrophe in front of the F and H afterwards. So examples of that is flag, to leave, becomes daig me and chak, I left the house. Fan, to stay, becomes dan me to or she, etc. It means I stayed. You will also notice with daig and dan, or any verb beginning with an F, that you actually don't pronounce the F or the H, as you can see with daig and dan. Okay, you've done really well to get to this stage, and that leaves us with the last number of letters, all consonants, and these are L, N, R, S, C, S, M, S, P, S, T. And just to note that you can aspirate S on its own, but if a word begins with SC, SM, SP, or ST, we leave these verbs, as in no change, no H, or D apostrophe required. Example, lay, to read. Leme, I read. Leme lor, I read a book. Knee, to wash. Ní me hen, I washed myself. Rich, to run. Rich me stas the shamra falka, I ran into the bathroom. Skriu me mobberwalla shees, I wrote down my homework. So that's the collection of all of the verbs beginning with consonants, vowels, F, and the awkward letters that nothing can be done to.